Happy Sunday, everybody. This is Donna, the Blissful Planner, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you like what you see, hang around and hit that like button and subscribe. All right, this is a planner challenge that myself and a group of wonderful people on Instagram, I challenged them to do a do-it-yourself planner challenge. Hashtags will be below, and all my other information, all the stuff that I use today will be in that description box below. So the whole concept is no stickers. You can use washi only. You had to think out of the box. So I used scrapbook paper, both plain and printed, and then I took a bunch of scrapbook paper and just cut it up and made all kinds of different little like cutouts, as you can see there. This right here I got from Hobby Lobby. It's a tag pad, and I made what looks to be an old-fashioned picture frame out of it. This here, okay, here's the scrapbook paper that I used, but I wanted it to look like one thing. So in order to do that, of course, you know the pages, hello, flip in and out. I went ahead, so this would look like it is just a continued page, and I cut this, so like if you put this together, it almost exactly matches. Okay, that was my whole plan behind that. So let's go ahead and grab our tape and stick this down. This was so much fun. It was quite a challenge, but the thing about it was you have to think outside the box, obviously, which I think outside the box should be my motto, because I love stuff that's different. I like people that don't, you know, march to the same drummer. I like stuff that's unique. I just think that when you really, you know, I mean, it's nice to do like a challenge and stuff, and or maybe take an idea from another YouTuber, of course, give them credit, or say it's inspired by somebody. I'm inspired, and I will give her credit, by Heather Kell from Kell the Plant, because she's a teacher, and she does a lot of out-of-the-box stuff too. And so, you know, shout out to her. Not that she's probably watching, but hey. Anyway, so now let's make sure that we are going to lay this down properly. Okay, so I'm going to just turn it like this so I can see exactly what I'm doing. Because if I don't, this is going to be lined up and it's going to be jacked up like a soup sandwich. Okay? Now y'all probably haven't ever had a soup sandwich, so there we go. See? Now that looks really good. So what I did was I cut out some old planner pages as a template. Again, another idea I got from Heather. I didn't make them exactly, but this gave me an idea where I wanted my spacing to occur. Again, this is in my social media planner. All the stuff I'm doing for challenges and stuff is in my social media planner. And I do cover up a lot of stuff. And the reason I do that is because I don't put as much stuff on here. This is basically a social media idea and tracker planner for me. And so I don't need to have, you know, the 7 days a week with hundreds of lists of stuff. I don't do that. I'm basically tracking my followers, tracking my subs, tracking my watch times, stuff like that, okay? So if I do a spread and it's full of stuff and not a lot of lists per se, that's why. Okay, I just wanted to put that out there. I think, you know, sometimes people do stuff and it's like, why did you do that? That didn't make any sense. But I wanted to I wanted to explain that. So, in a previous video, I had used greeting cards. So, I had some scraps left over, and I thought to offset and sort of not have busy, 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 busy. I thought what I would do is try to offset some stuff so that it wouldn't look so in your face, so to speak. So I thought this was a super cute idea. And the reason that goes over is because I took tissue paper and I'm going to put the tissue paper like so. Okay? Alright, so let me go ahead and I'll probably speed up a lot of parts of this video just because if I don't, it's going to be 100 years long, and I don't think anybody's going to hang around for that long a watch time. My other video for the fall florals, the collab that I did with a group of Instagrammers, was pretty long, and anybody that hangs in there for that video, you know, give me a shout out or something. You know, of course, I can use the increase in my watch time because, you know, until you get 4,000 hours of watch time, you're pretty much, one, not getting paid, which I don't care about that. But, you know, you're not, I don't think, as noticed. So, you know, as a YouTuber, you know, your goal is to get noticed eventually, I would think. That would be my goal eventually. And I just like crafting. So, to me, this is super, super fun. I tried to have all of my stuff close by today so that my chair is not squeaking and driving you guys insane. Because in that video yesterday, it was aggravating. So I'm trying to sit seriously as still as I can. You know, I just have to use what I have, folks, you know. I don't have a million followers, and I just try to do with what I have, and I think that that's okay. There we go. And remember, this, it's like a craft, folks. It doesn't have to be perfection. I think perfection's overrated. I just think people try way too hard, you know, to be like somebody else, and just be who you are. You know, nobody's like you. And I mean, I've seen some really off the chart spreads, but you know. And, you know, if you don't have one of, I had these because a friend from work actually gave up her scrapbooking career, so to speak. Now, remember, we're trying to line up as closely as we can. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm trying to keep to where the pages don't look all crooked and everything. Because you know me, I'm the queen of crooked. If anybody can get something on here crooked, it's going to be me. keep in mind that when I go to start filling stuff out, I'm going to have the dates here probably, and I'll probably get me a gold pen and write that in there, so you'll have, you know, your dates here all the way across, Monday through Sunday. And then I'll probably put some tasks here. Basically just a way to do, like, you know, Monday my count was like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. And I mean, you're just going across, that being that I'm using this for that purpose, that's why I'm sort of trying to not have, I'm having more stuff maybe than I should, you know. I forgot all about my, I got this washi tape from a lady on Etsy. If I can find where I got it, I will link it below. I feel like that needs something. Right there. Alright. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. You know me. I'm extra. Probably shouldn't be, but I am. There we go. I think I added a little something, something. I know, now I'm going to go crazy over here. Just calm down, people. I thought what I would do is actually tear this in half. And no, that's going to look silly. I love it. Okay, and we're calling it done. Okay, this is Donna, the Blissful Planner. This is the DIY Planner Challenge. No stickers, no sticker kits, only things that you can cut out and make yourself. Scrapbook paper, tissue paper, you know, whatever, construction paper. And the only other thing you could use that stuck down was the washi. So this was my challenge that I proposed on Instagram. And this is my take on it, and this is what I came up with. I would really appreciate any comments down below. Keep them nice. And your impressions or ideas for different spreads that you would like to see, because I would be more than happy to do any kind of spread that you guys would request, and that's what I'm here for. I want to learn. I want you to learn. I want us all to have fun together. So I appreciate everyone's support. The subs that I've already gotten, you know, I'm very appreciative for you guys, and I hope you guys will continue to watch, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a like, and please subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.